Hello everyone, today we are making a simple and delicious stir fry using fresh eggplant and ground pork. We'll take you step by step all the way to the finished dish. Now let's prepare 400 grams of eggplant and wash them, trim off the stem ends, then cut them in half. Again, cut into quarters and finally cut them into small cubes about half an inch each one. And now place them in a bowl and sprinkle about a quarter teaspoon of salt. Let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. This helps draw out moisture, reduces bitterness, and improve the texture during cooking. While the eggplant is resting, let's mince the garlic. Then chop the green onion, but also separate the white parts and the green parts. Finally, peel and chop 2 shallots into small pieces. I recently discovered that adding shallots to my cooking makes the dishes more fragrant and flavorful. So if you enjoy experimenting with different ingredients, you might want to give it a try. And for the meat, I like using the one from Target, labeled "Great for Meatloaf." It's flavorful and has a nice fat balance. Now let's move on the sauce before cooking. Combine 1/2 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon rice vinegar, half a teaspoon sugar, some white pepper powder, half a teaspoon cornstarch, and 3 tablespoons water. And remember, you can always adjust the ingredients to taste. Now it's time to cook the eggplant. Add 2 tablespoons of oil in a wok over medium to high heat. Once the oil is hot, add the eggplant cubes and you stir fry them evenly. You also can add a small splash of water and cover it for a minute to help the steam and soften faster. Once they are done, you can take them out and set them aside. In the same wok, add 1 tablespoon of oil and then go straight in with the ground pork. Once it starts to brown, add 1 tablespoon of cooking wine. This helps boost the flavor and cuts down any meaty smell. Then add the garlic, green onions, and shallots. Stir everything together and let it cook for another minute or 2. Then pour in the sauce and mix well. Once the pork is coated, add the cooked eggplant back in. Stir everything together. And just seasoning with 1 teaspoon soy sauce and a pinch of salt. Right before finishing, toss in the green parts of the green onion. And now we are done. The eggplant is soft and flavorful. The pork is juicy and savory. If you like my video, don't forget to give it a thumb up and subscribe for more easy home cooked meals. Thank you for watching.